Prerequisite number 6 is solution. As I have already stated, at times there is no need to give solution to the reader. Don't need to document the solution into the case. In most of the cases, in fact, perhaps it's a requirement of the case as well, by understanding the objective of the case, that you need to bring solution into the case as well, especially if the case is written from the problem perspective rather than a process perspective. So yeah, it is imperative, it is important that you need to highlight the solution into the case as well. Now, solution can be one, it can be multidimensional as well. How employee motivation has improved the sales, all right, and what exactly the tools were actually used to motivate the employees. Now that's a solution. So you have actually created an employee competition. Another solution was that you have actually created a performance-based appraisal system. You have employed that, or perhaps you have given bonuses to the employees on the basis of their tenure. That will eventually also going to create the longevity of people in the company as well. All right, so there can be multiple perspectives to it. So give solutions if there is a requirement to the to document that. And solution can be one, singular, or it can be multiple, and it can be conflicting as well. When we talk about conflicting, maybe one solution is not complementing the another one. All right, so here is a case of company where the company from where I have started my career kickstart, Mondelez Pakistan, Mondelez International Pakistan. All right, so they want to revamp their merchandising structure, the trade marketing merchandising structure. So for that, they have three options. Either they can have the merchandisers on their own payroll, or they can have merchandisers on the payroll of a distributor, and they will going to be responsible for that. They will going to be one supervisor looking after all the merchandisers. Or the third one, hire an agency who is dedicated in this particular operational work. Now, along with the three options, there is a cost to it, there is a benefit to it, and there is an analysis to it. So remember, guys, when you are formulating a solution, the solution needs to be formulated from the analysis, and the analysis needs to be driven by the data that you have calculated, and that is how you will going to create the through line, the story. So don't create a mess when you are formulating the case. So yeah, be very clear and be very streamlined when you are writing up, and things eventually will going to fall in its own place.